That looks like one of them right there, right? You want to deter people from stealing your packages or breaking into your home. Well, if you couldn't afford them, or maybe you have one on the front door and you'd like this on the side door or the back, it's actually a decoy. It looks like it, you hear it, you see the lights, and you see what looks like a camera, but it's not real. So see that guy, he ran up, he's like, I have some nefarious intentions. I'm gonna steal their package, but oh no, they have one of those cameras. I already got on camera, I'm running out of here. From Heath Zenith, excuse me, the 83277 is your item number. First day this year on a sale price, it's a $9 charge on a credit card, and you get it home and you deter who you need to deter. Scott Hind is here. He brings us all of these great products. This is genius.
It really is. Like,
and what are the two parts that you get with it?
Yeah, so you get the doorbell, which functions as a regular doorbell, right? And that you hear it there, and then you get the receiver that you plug into any wall outlet that works up to 300 feet away. So you still get a functioning doorbell, but you know, I'll kind of run you through it. Like you said, we all know the high-end, expensive doorbell cameras, right? And they're great. They're great products. They work well. We've presented a bunch of them here at QVC. Couple of issues though. They are expensive, especially if you have 2, 3, 4 doors in your house.
Right.
A lot of them need subscriptions. A lot of them need Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi for sure.
Installation.
You have to have Wi-Fi.
All those things. And they work well and they're deterrents. But they're only going to deter X% of people, right?
Right.
So what deters them is the camera. So what we have for you today is a solution that is inexpensive, extraordinarily easy to install, you know, like I said, super affordable, and no subscription, no Wi-Fi, no none of that, but you get all the look and feel of one of those high-end, fancy, and now you can afford to put one on every door.
And it's a wireless doorbell still.
That's right.
So even if it didn't have the decoy, for you get like 10 different tunes if you want to, adjustable volume, and so it really is a doorbell, a wireless doorbell, and then it also has that pretend camera. So
that's right.
Everybody knows what these look like, especially if you have bad intentions. That's the first thing they look for, I'm sure, is like, are they gonna be recording me? They see this and they go, oh, not going to this house.
That's right, because the same people that would be deterred by the fancy high-end cameras are going to be deterred by this, because you see, it looks like there's a lens in there, and there is a lens in there. It's just not hooked to anything. But they don't know that. They literally don't know that. But doesn't that look like it's real?
And then look.
And then hit that. There's your doorbell.
It lights up.
Yep.
You hear it.
Right. And at night, the red goes around it too, so it really looks like it's real.
So do we have to charge this?
So
how does that
it
work?
comes with a battery. So that's a nice thing. It comes with a battery installed already. Lasts a good long time. And then you plug the receiver into an outlet like you're seeing here. Adjustable volume, goes up to 85 decibels. That's as loud as a smoke detector or a carbon monoxide detector, but it's adjustable. 10 different ringtones, so it could be a normal ring, but it could also be like Brahms lullaby.
Can we hear those? Are we allowed to on air?
I don't know if I have the clearances for that. I'm sorry, I apologize.
Sometimes we can't, you know, because you can't, or you have to pay whoever
rights and
wrote
clearances,
that.
that's right. So,
but there are 10 different.
There are 10 different
and then how do
tunes.
you do it? You just like.
So yeah, hang on, let me grab this is the installation kit that comes with it. 2 small screws or 3M tape, super easy. And what I'm going to do is just come back here. I'm not going to install it, obviously, because it, you know, it's sets and props, so I don't want to mess things up.
Right.
But you would just put it on the tape or the screws, and then
there's no wires.
That's right, and it works up to 300 feet away, and up to 10 of these can be connected to one receiver. So you could have them on all 4 doors, all 3 doors around your house, or even, this is a good idea, if say you're caring for somebody, maybe you have someone in your home, you have parents, something like that you're caring for, this could actually be a, hey, I need help kind of thing, or you keep it on the dresser, and you just plug this in somewhere, and then the person you're caring for hits the button. Oh, that lets you know, hey, something's up.
That is a great idea.
Yeah.
So up to 10 of them can be on the same receiver.
That's right.
And you'll get a receiver with each one, so you could put them in different rooms as well.
That's exactly correct. So it plugs right into the wall outlet. So the outlet, or the receiver itself, never has to be recharged, obviously. It just stays in your wall outlet. And then it's just a simple button battery, so when it does run out, then simply go, you know,
go
to a big box store and get another one. It's super simple.
And it's not charging anything. Here's what it does, though.
Yeah.
And they all know what it looks like. I mean, if you are a criminal, if you're thinking about stealing something, you know what these are, because you need to know, like, how am I gonna get caught? If they have one of those video cameras, then I'm gonna get caught. So I'm not gonna go to that house. It's just a deterrent, like light is a deterrent.
That's exactly right. The exact same people who would be deterred by the real high-end, super fancy doorbell cameras are going to be deterred by this because you can't differentiate it. There's no difference in the look and feel of it. It looks like a real high-end camera, but it's affordable. It's a fraction of the price.
I know, look at this, $27.
Right. So for a cost of one of the big ones, the fancy ones, you get 4 of these and cover every door in your house.
Good point.
And you're good to go.
And this is what it sounds like.
Yep.
Although there's 10 other sounds, you can adjust the volume. First day at a sale price, we're saving you $6 today. It's a $9 charge on a credit card. It's on its way to you. And then
super simple.
Try it out. If you don't love it, you can always return it. Thank you so much. You bring us the most fun, interesting things. I've never even heard of anything like this.
Good to see you.
Really great idea. Good to see you too. All right, our final item in the show is one of my favorites. I love Tatcha. It's this brand of Japanese